Hi friends, welcome to another episode of Q&A with BA. Oh, my bang just got in my way. I'm good now. Welcome to another episode of Q&A with BA. I'm Sarah, this is Clint Hansen. We're super excited to be with you. Hope you're having a wonderful Thursday. Clint, how was your Valentine's Day?
It was good. It was about as much as I expected in terms of fun. Didn't go out, stayed home, watched TV, enjoyed some time with my wife. Nothing crazy.
That sounds nice.
And no chocolate.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
I'm a little torn about how, because I want to encourage everyone to eat chocolate, but I realize, it's not a healthy decision for every single person on the planet. So, making this decision, I stand behind you, I support you, I'm proud of you that you didn't have any chocolate.
I appreciate that. I need that support.
I don't know if I could do it, but I'm proud.
I think you could. You could definitely do it.
Sure. We still have the bear. We're super excited about him. We haven't come up with a name for him yet, though, so,
I've tried a couple, Mr. Giggles, Frosty, Red Toe, but nothing sounds good. Should we give people an opportunity to name the bear?
Yes, please. I wasn't aware that those were the names you came up with.
That's what I was thinking. How about this? If anybody wants to help us name the bear, if you get a good name, we'll choose that name, we'll name it that name, and we'll acknowledge you as well.
Yes.
And you can be the godparent of this bear in the event anything happens to Sarah or
That's
myself.
really exciting. This is like that time that we asked everybody to name the pumpkins, and they did, and they did such a good job. We were overflowing with names for pumpkins. It was the best time.
Yeah, but don't be overbearing with the name. And, was that bad?
Are we ready for questions?
Absolutely.
It's question time.
All right.
That's not the question. We have a question from our friend, the Southern Tape.
Excellent.
And our friend says, so I've been torn between two calibers for a pistol build to hunt hogs with here in Florida. Should I go with a 300 Blackout or a 223 Wild? This is a great question.
It is.
Mr. Hansen, what do you think?
300 Blackout for sure. For one, it's just going to be more humane, obviously. You want to make sure you have clean, quick shots for a quick kill, obviously. But just for maneuverability, being able to be mobile here in Florida, a lot of times when you're hunting hogs, it's going to be, wet, kind of marshy, kind of swampy. So something definitely that's comfortable to carry and it's going to be accurate for you. So along with Ballistic Advantage, sub-MOA guarantee, definitely a BA 300 Blackout barrel. That's the way to go for sure.
Good job, Mr. Hansen.
Thank you.
Short and sweet, concise. I understood it. Do you have anything else you want to talk about?
Yes, we do. So this entire Q&A episode, there is a pistol in this picture. So we're doing a little.
What?
There is. So, a little contest for you guys. If the first person to guess right what barrel is in that pistol, and you can only enter once, you only guess once, but you will actually get to win that very barrel that's in the pistol. So, go ahead and comment your guesses on what barrel you think is in the pistol. No hints, no nothing. Again, you can only enter once, but if you get it right and you're the first person, you're going to win that barrel.
That's so exciting.
Pretty neat little contest.
Our second giveaway.
That's right.
That's super exciting.
You know who came up with that idea? Chase the Demo.
Our new marketing manager.
Our new marketing manager.
He's so cool. He's
Yeah.
really cool. He's so cool. I just love saying his name,
He's
Jason Demo. Okay guys, I'm super excited for you and I can't wait to see what you comment below. If you like this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and click that little bell icon so that you get notified every time we post a new video. We have new Q&A videos every Thursday. Don't forget. If you want to see this guy answer one of your questions, make sure to comment below. We sure can't wait to see what you send us, and we sure can't wait to see your guesses for this giveaway. Thanks so much, guys.
That's good. I love it. Let's do it.
It'll make you a little more hip hop though.
Why is your Clint your same Natalie Portman?
He can be all excited. Did you have a great Valentine's Day?
Yeah, sure. What?
Hello, friends. How you doing? Are you happy, or did you have a good Valentine's Day?
What?
So you didn't? You didn't enjoy it?
It was fine. It was good. Whatever.
Well, mine was amazing, and we had to keep the bear here because we were gonna miss it, and it's just.
You didn't introduce me. You didn't introduce me.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm Sarah. This is Clint. Hello.
Sup? How's it going?
It's going good. We are.
We talk about guns.
Today we have some questions too. We might even have a nice little surprise. All right, it's getting weird.